So when I see builders building homes this way, it's always like, man, it's why I have a foundation repair business, honestly. And it's what keeps us busy. So I'm not hating on the builders. I'm not hating on anything. I mean, obviously engineers approve this stuff, right? But I've been doing this for 25 years and it never changes. Like the issues are still the same, you know? And these builders back out of the warranties or whatever just to get the stuff done. But this is basically what your house is sitting on, because nothing was stripped out. You know, this right here is just solid. It's all clay. So all that is here, and that's what your house is going to end up sitting on. Instead of stripping dirt out, they do it the cheap way, and they put forms up. They bag all this dirt and stack it so that you will have a foundation, and you think you're you win, right? You got the house you wanted. You're happy you moved in. Until about year 2, usually longer than that, year 5, up to year 10. We do customers' houses that, I have a customer, her house, she moved into it 4 years ago, and it's it's settled big time. So quality has gone down big time. My background is, I had 15 years in commercial construction, and there's no way this would have been allowed. Like, no way. And I can't understand how it is, because we have foundation issues as it is with all the clay, but mixed with a bad job.